Good day all, especially to Sir Leo Arcayos, me and Mark Florence. This video is to explain and discuss about the effects of bilging and permeability on the stability of the ship.
Bilging, water flooding into compartments, and permeability, the amount of floodable space, but significantly impact ship stability by reducing buoyancy and shifting the center of gravity. Bilging decreases the ship's overall buoyancy, causing an increase in draft and potentially trim, especially in end compartments. Permeability, which is the percentage of compartments volume that can be flooded, determines how much buoyancy is lost when compartment is flooded. So now ang bilging muna pang water flooding in compartments. So ang flooding into compartments is muna ang example ang ballast tank, no? Ballast tank. Purpose ang ballast tank para mo stable ang barko. Labi na og kanang bulk carrier imong barko, karga ka. Once nga imong ballast tank napay pressure piece, ni posibilidad nga matuali, makapsize. Kay kailangan dun way pressure piece samot na og mo labang sa mga long voyage at mga Atlantic kanan ba dapat ang barko stable, so ang buoyancy dapat steady. Kay ang purpose ni bilging kay pang decrease sa sa overall buoyancy sa barko. Mo ang purpose ni bilging niya. Ang trim, especially in the compartments, mo siya mo ni purpose ni bilging.
So next is the picture. The first is the permeability. So you can see na dia ang metacentric height, center of gravity, and buoyancy. Di na sila mawala. Kaya mo na yung nagdaog kung sa atong stability sa atong barko. Nakita na to diha, the hull is damaged and the water can enter the ship. Kanang nasa ubo sa barko. Dry space or tank. Permeability, amount of a given space that is able to be flooded. So katong nakahinumdum mo sa compartmentation, mao ni siya na kanang unsa ra na naguba diha dapit sa compartmentation adto ra sad masudlan ang tubig, at least what to mo tagos sa pikas compartmento. Kay kung mutagos to nadto'y posibilidad na maunlod din yung barko. So sa kaning kaduhang picture, which is bilging kani siya ni barko nga nitakilid na, mao din ang bilging. So nga na mahitabo sa inyong barko ug mabilging na, kanang padong na siya malunod kay nitakilid naman na siya, na damage na siguro na dapit siya sa hull or sa keel niya. So
Bilging, when a compartment is essentially flooded with water, reducing the amount of buoyancy. The ship has this loss of buoyancy can cause the ship to sink lower in the water, increase draft daw. So ang pag-reduce sa buoyancy mo ni posibilidad nga ma-embark mo malunod, ma-sink mo ba, loss of buoyancy. So kailangan ang bilging. Second is impact on draft. Bilging in the middle of the ship can lead to increase in draft but no significant trim change. Bilging at the ends of the ships, however, can introduce a trimming moment, causing the ship to lease. So no, ang bilging daw significant trim to change. So ang trim sa barko magbaylo din na dili mag-maintain. So impact of center buoyancy. The flooded volume displaces water, and this displacement causes a ship's center of buoyancy If the flooded compartment is not symmetrical with respect of the ship center, this ship can create listing moment. Ano mo na impact sa buoyancy.
Permeability. So the permeability is a crucial factor in determining how much ship buoyancy is reduced when a compartment is flooded. A compartment with high permeability, a percentage of floodable volume, will lose more buoyancy than a compartment with a low permeability. So mautong gingon kaniya. So ang mara na ko maingon kay kaning kuan di ay kaning o masudla na ng dapita kanang a large percent of floodable volume sa kompartmento ninyo, mawa dako yung mawa nga buoyancy. So modo na ingon na dakog chance na malunod ta tungod ana. So the impact on stability, bilging and permeability significantly affect the ship stability as they reduce buoyancy and change the ship center of gravity, maintaining adequate reserve buoyancy and good stability. Calculations is essential for ensuring the ship safety, especially when compartments are flooded. So, dako din siya impact sa atong stability kay mawala atong center gravity ani o kanang buoyancy. So, wala na siya sa saktong pwesto mo nang dako yung risk o chance na malunod ta tungod aning kuan flooded na nahitabo sa tong kompartimento nga na damage. So that's the end of our discussion about the effects of bilging and permeability on stability of the ship. So kami hinaut mi ni Mark Lawrence na naamoy masabtan sa among discussion karon and sa among gipang explain about ani na topic. Ug naa magani mga kuwang-kuwang ma-search na ninyo sa Google. And maura to, good day all and thank you.